Hey guys, if you are using Windows 10 and facing wireless connection problem, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 methods which you can use to resolve your wireless connection problem. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Method number 1. We need to check the driver first. If the wireless adapter's driver is not working properly, then no method is gonna solve the problem. So we need to make sure that the driver is working fine. So to check that, we need to click on Start and then go to Device Manager. From the list, click on Network Adapters, expand it, and then Wireless Adapter. Right click, take Properties, and then this window. If we can see this message that this device is working properly, it means the driver is working fine. Method number 2. Again, right click on wireless adapter, take properties, and then click power management. So the first option, we need to make sure that this option is disabled. This option should not be enabled, so please make sure this option is unchecked. Method number 3. Again, right click on wireless adapter, go to properties, this time click on advanced. From the list, click on wireless mode and select 11BG. Please make sure that you only select 11BG, no other option should be selected. Method number 4. Click on Start, Settings, Network and Internet, and then Connection Properties. And from this window, we need to make sure that network profile is private. If it is public, please change it to private. And when you click on private, the changes will automatically be saved. So close the window. Method number 5. Click window and R key. A run window will open. Type services.msc. Hit enter. And from this window, scroll down till the end. And then click on wireless LAN auto config. Right click, take properties. And from this drop down menu, we need to make sure that our setting should be automatic. If it is anything else, please change it to automatic and click OK. Well, that's about it guys. I hope you will find this video helpful, and if you do, please like it and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.